Hello guys, in this very short tutorial I will show you how to merge layer in Photoshop. Simple and easy tutorial. So create a new layer. So here is our page. Now I want to add a shape. Here is our shape 1 and here is our shape 2. So I want to add text here. Select text tool, type tool, and type here H over here, and now type here marge. So we have 1 2 3 and 4 layer, and I want to merge this layer into one. So select all layer, click here and hold on shift and click here to select all layer, and right click on mouse and select merge layer. So select move tool, and here is our merge layer 1 layer. So thank you guys. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.